Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to track 3D text in After Effects. Let's get started. Okay, now I am in After Effects. To track 3D text, we need to track the footage first. To do this, navigate to Effects and search for 3D Camera Tracker. Drag this effect onto your footage. Click on Detailed Analysis in the Advanced option. It will take several minutes to analyze the tracking points. Once the tracking is done, you will see some track points. Select a bunch of track points, right-click, and choose Create Solid in Camera. Now, we have a solid created. Click on the option to hide tracking points and adjust the rotation of the solid layer. If you play this, you will see the track solid staying in its position. Next, create a new solid layer for Element 3D. Navigate to Effects and search for Element. Drag this effect onto the solid layer. Now, let's create our text. Click on the Text tool and input your text. Select the element layer, expand the Custom Layer option, and then expand the Custom Text and Masks option. Change Path Layer 1 to the 3D text layer. Click on Scene Setup, and a new window will open to work in Element 3D. Click on the Extrude option to import your text. In the extrusion model, click on the gear icon, scroll down, and click on Disable Environment. Adjust its position like this. To increase the thickness of the text, increase the bevel scale in the extrusion model. Now, let's add a base. Go to Create and add a plane model. Increase the plane model size to 25. Click on the gear icon and disable the environment. To add some material to your text, go to the Preset option and select Physical and Bevels. This preset is available when you install Element 3D. Now, add the material you want. Go to the Material option and add a matte shadow to the plane model. Click OK. Now we have our text, but it's not in the position of the track solid. To fix this, navigate to Effects Control, expand Group 1, and create Group Null. Press P on Track Solid 1 and copy its position by pressing Ctrl+C. Press P on the Group 1 null and paste the position values by pressing Ctrl+V. Now you can see the text is in the track solid position. To increase its scale, select the element layer, navigate to Effects Control, and expand Particle Look. Increase the particle size to 65. Expand particle rotation and adjust its rotation. Click on the Eye option to hide the track solid layer. To add a shadow, navigate to Effects Control, expand Render Settings, then expand Ambient Occlusion and click on Enable. Increase the intensity value. Now it looks good. Let's preview this. I hope you find this video helpful. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.